Introducing the K11 Turbo Drone, a powerful, long-range aerial machine built for professionals and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, executing precise fishing drops, or flying just for the thrill, the K11 Turbo combines performance, stability, and cinematic quality in one ultra-capable drone. True 8K Ultra HD camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Capture stunning, ultra-detailed footage with the K11's real 8K camera, supported by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and electronic anti-shake stabilization for buttery-smooth video, even in windy conditions. Camera photo resolution: 3840x2160 TF card. Movie camera video resolution: 7680x4320 app. 3840x2160 TF card. Anti-clockwise arrows frame rate: 30 fps. Triangle ruler camera FOV: 110 degrees ultra-wide angle. Bullseye gesture shooting and object tracking support. You can remotely adjust the camera tilt from -80 degrees to 0 degrees, allowing for dynamic aerial shots, flyovers, and cinematic pans with ease. Shield triple stabilization plus laser obstacle avoidance. Checkmark 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Checkmark electronic image stabilization. Checkmark laser-based obstacle avoidance. The K11 Turbo's flight is exceptionally stable and intelligent, perfect for new and experienced pilots alike. Navigate tight spaces and unpredictable environments with confidence. Massive 4,000 meters control range plus 5G digital image transmission. Fly farther than ever with up to 4,000 meters of remote range, powered by a 5G Wi-Fi digital image relay system. Enjoy ultra-low latency, real-time FPV video feed from your drone to your smartphone, ideal for precise framing, live streaming, or immersive exploration. Battery extended 45-minute flight time, dual high-capacity batteries. Drone battery: 11.1 volts 3500 mAh. Battery remote control battery: 11.4 volts 3500 mAh. 3 o'clock flight time: up to 45 minutes on a single charge. Stopwatch charging time: approximately 6 hours, USB 5 volts, 3A fast charging. High voltage remote run time: up to 3 hours. Longer flights equals more footage, more freedom, and fewer interruptions. Bullseye Pro level features for creative flight. The K11 Turbo is packed with smart, GPS-powered flight modes. One key return: low battery, signal loss, or manual. GPS plus image follow me modes: 3 meters to 100 meters range. Gesture photo and video commands. Multi-point route planning. Fixed point orbit flight, 360 degrees circling. Round pushpin last known location via GPS map pinning. And yes, it even includes a one-click airdrop system, capable of carrying and releasing payloads up to 500 grams, perfect for fishing, deliveries, or creative challenges. Triangle ruler compact and foldable design with premium build. Straight ruler unfolded size: 48 by 40 by 9 centimeters. Straight ruler folded size: 22 by 12 by 9 centimeters. Balance scale weight: 680 grams, including battery. Briefcase available in gray, black, and orange. A powerful drone that folds down small enough to fit in your backpack. Whether you're a filmmaker, a hobbyist, or a fishing enthusiast, the K11 Turbo Drone gives you the tools to fly smarter, farther, and with cinematic precision. From 8K aerial photography to payload drops, from obstacle-avoiding flight to gesture-controlled selfies, this drone checks all the boxes. Helicopter K11 Turbo, where power meets precision in the sky.